So whenever I talk about the power of foundation, I'm referring to the steps that I take to build my belief in my strategy. That way I know I can take the next trade that I'm supposed to take. See, my trade plan tells me what trade to take and when. And I know what that is, and I believe in it. And the reason I believe in it is because I go through a series of pre-production work. Pre-production is the work you put in to something so that when you finally actually produce the thing, you're producing the best possible thing you can. And the same is true when you're creating your foundation, your trading method, your strategy. Okay? So one of the first things I do is a technique that I call fast testing. Fast testing is merely counting winning and losing sessions. So let's say I'm day trading crude oil futures with a strategy and a trade plan, and I want to prove to myself that it's going to work. I'm going to look back at maybe the last 100 sessions or so, and I'm merely going to count, based on my rules, if I could have ended that session with a positive result or not. And I'm just going to do chicken scratch counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. In a win column, a loss column, and a break-even column. Basically, I'm looking for a strategy that I could quit with a positive result maybe 75% of the time. And maybe 3 to 7% of the time, I'll break even. I want to have a losing session less than 20% of the time. That's the secret. If I can do that, I can believe in what I'm trading. And if I can believe in what I'm trading, I have a foundation that I could be successful with.
I've been working on a slew of new trade plans, and I want to show you this one setting up here. It's a long-term short trade on the XLE, the Select Energy Spider Fund. We know that energy has been going up, inflation has been going up, but there's a clear short trade here, and this plan has won at a very high percentage over the last 10 years with my back testing. We're going to call this a potential trade. It actually did or would have triggered in when the stock hit 68, 67. Slightly in the money puts, as far out as you can go is what I'm recommending. That's what I'm going to be trading. I did not place this trade yet, and I want to show you why. Here's a trick I like to use to help me work around some of the hidden road hazards that are lurking out there to the unaware. All right, I just put these two lines on the chart. This is a 50 moving average. I make it a mustard color because I want to see the price cut the mustard. It's just a little inside joke from a long time ago that it's just kind of stuck with me. So I'm waiting for this to break through just slightly below this 50 moving average before getting short. It's a small adjustment. It could be enough to save us from getting into a bad trade. There's no way to ever know for sure, but I'm okay making a small adjustment, especially with these big targets down here. All right, so this is a 200 moving average as well. I don't really need that at the moment, but I always put it on. Some of the filters that I'm using work with both these EMAs. But for now, suffice it to say, I want to see this push through that 50 EMA. I'll be getting short with a long-term put. I'll be looking to buy puts as far out as I can, and I'll be trading that inside of my retirement account. I will be showing trades like this and others. If you haven't registered for the Wealth 365 event yet, please do so. You can catch my presentation on Wednesday the 13th at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you there, and I'll see you on the next video.